Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious baby octopus pasta. Oh my god, you need to give this pasta a try. So the recipe I'm going to be using is the baby octopus himself. I don't know what baby octopus is called, but this is baby octopus. You can use big one as well if that is what you can lay your hands on. And the pasta, guys, please, if you can get this pasta is amazing with this recipe. So look for this pasta, but if you can't get it, go for smaller pasta, okay? So I'm going to be using 2 cloves of garlic, salt, a glass of dry cooking white wine, and about 700 grams of tomato sauce. Because I love tomato sauce, this is why I'm going to be using 700 grams, but you can use half of it. Extra virgin of olive oil and parsley. I'm also going to be using black pepper, just a little bit of it. So these are the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead now, guys, to wash and slice the baby octopus. So I've done that and I have set that aside, okay? So now I placed a pot over the heat, added extra virgin of olive oil and 2 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to allow the garlic to roast down a bit. Then now I'm adding the clean baby octopus. Or you can use normal octopus to do this, guys, okay? So just add them into the oil and garlic. Allow them to roast. Yes, you need to roast this until they are golden brown. As you can see, they've started changing color there, but you need to roast them more, okay? Because there is still a little bit water in there and those water need to dry. Okay guys, here we are. This is the color we are looking for. How gorgeous is that? So now I'm going to be adding the cooking white wine, or you can use any white wine of your choice. So just allow the wine to evaporate. And yeah, so here the wine is done evaporating, guys. As you can see here, I'm adding the sauce. I'm using 700 grams like I said before, but you can use 500 grams to do this. But I love sauce, like I love my pasta to be like creamy red. I love sauce. I love when the pasta is covered with sauce. So I'm going to add the salt and a little bit of black pepper. And be careful with the salt. Know that seafood has salt already, okay? You can skip the salt if you want. So go ahead and stir them all up together. Yes, cover them, put the lid on, and put the heat on the minimum. Yes guys, on the lowest of it all, okay? And allow them to cook for 1 hour. So here, after it has passed 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I place water over the heat. And as you can see, I added salt into the water because the water is boiling already, and I'm adding the pasta. So this is when the sauce is almost cooked, okay? So the pasta, it says to be cooked for 20 minutes. But you know what I'm going to do? I will cook the pasta for about 10 or 11 minutes on the water. Then I'm going to transfer the pasta into the sauce. Yes, that is what I'm going to be doing, guys. So here I'm putting the pasta, I'm transferring the pasta into the sauce, because the pasta needs to cook more on the sauce as well. It's just like doing it 50-50, okay? So when you are done transferring the pasta into the sauce, go ahead. You can use 2 spoons. Yeah, I eventually use 2 spoons to stir them, or you can use a bigger pot. This pot I used is a little bit small. It's small, yeah, but I managed to get them done. So here I'm adding water from the pasta. That is if you think the sauce is dry, you know that the pasta has to cook well into that sauce, so you need the water from the pasta. So I added about 2 of that spoon or 3 of that spoon because I needed the pasta to cook more and I didn't want the sauce to dry up too much. So here the pasta is cooked I'm adding the last after the pasta is where I'm adding the parsley into the pasta, and I'm just going to give them a good stir and take them out of the heat. And that is all. This is world best pasta, guys. If you can make this, give it a try. You will never regret it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. I hope you give it a try. Bye.